welcome back. I am Kathy, and if you're new to my channel, I do food and product reviews. And if you haven't heard, Wendy's has new fries. This is the second time they've changed their fries in 50 years, I believe. They changed them back in 2010, where they switched to the natural cut fries, where you still had the skin on and with sea salt. So now, here are the new ones. I did read that they were going to be lighter in color. They are supposed to stay hotter and crispier. I'll read you what I read from a few different articles. So the redesign, I don't like the word redesign when you're talking about food, but okay. Redesigned to stay hot and crispy for up to 30 minutes after being taken out of the fryer and placed in the container. The new, not exactly square shape is to help retain heat, and there is a whisper thin coating of batter to help keep them crispier. All right, I'm gonna try them now. I got these a couple minutes ago, and I'm gonna try them again in 10 minutes and see if, they stay crispy. All right, there it is. Looks like, Wendy's fries. I am a fan of Wendy's fries. They are crispy. They're warm. I wouldn't say they're hot. I mean, it's 10:40 now, so they just started serving. So I expected them. I don't think they'd be sitting in the warming basket for long. So I'm gonna try to see if you can see a whisper thin coating. I don't know if I really see that. Maybe a little bit. They are good. I don't know if I would tell a difference really. I guess the key is to see how long they hold up. So it also, the frying baskets are shorter. It says it helps the fries to be fully submerged in oil. I guess they consider 20 different designs before coming up with this one. Again, why designs? That just sounds, it's food. I don't like that word. So one reason for the change in the fries is because more people are going through drive-through and taking them home, or delivery services, like Uber Eats and Postmates, whatever. So it takes longer to get to the customer. So they had actually worked for like 2 years on designing the new fry. I think because of, the C word. It means something different these days. But I don't want to say it because, this video will probably be flagged. So anyway, because of that, more people are getting the food delivered or going through the drive-through and taking it home. So they kind of sped up the process, I guess, in finding the new hot and crispy fry. So I'm going on 10 minutes since I got these fries, and I would say they're still pretty warm, still crispy. Two things that were a must for the new fries is that they had to stay skin on. Skin. So the second thing is it has to withstand being dunked in a Frosty, which I do love to do. So is it gonna withstand? Oh, I lost part of it. I gotta dig it out. All right, I'll give it another chance because I was playing around with it. All right. But this is a smaller one, so that'll be easier. So how does it go? She wanted to dip me like them fries in her Frosty. Everyone should know that. Or what better? What I was saying, everyone should know that line, because that song is everywhere. Everywhere. But I do like to dip them in my Frosty. I don't say they hold up any better than the other ones dipping in the Frosty. I honestly don't think I would know they were any different. It did say, in a national preference test, consumers preferred Wendy's new hot and crispy fries over McDonald's nearly 2-to-1. I don't know. If you get a hot McDonald's fries, I think it's hard to beat. And they're kind of quiet about this. I haven't heard, I've seen articles about it, but I haven't seen it advertised at all. And it just came out, I think, the month of September here. And I think it'll be in Canada in October. That's what I read. Don't know if it's true, but it's what I read. By the way, this was a small. It was $1.79. All right, I'm at 20 minutes. since I got these fries. So I'm gonna, I'd still get a little crisp. They're not hot. They're not cold, but they're not hot. And I'm in my car, but there's no AC on, so I do have a little crisp to it. As far as holding the heat longer, I don't know, maybe a little bit. So if you have tried Wendy's new fries, like I said, I think they came out this month of September, and coming out in October in Canada. So if you have tried them, let me know what you think in the comments below. All right, that brings me to the question of the day. So you know I was dipping my fries in my Frosty. What do you like to dip your fries in? So most places I will dip my fries in ranch, as long as it's a good ranch. If no ranch is available, I like to dip my fries in. I know some people are going to be grossed out, but mayo. Love mayo. It's yummy. So, let me know, what do you like to dip your fries in? If you like the video, please think about giving me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, think about hitting that red subscribe button and the bell for notifications. I appreciate you watching. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time. Bye!